Hi, my name is Rhys Tucker. I'm an intern here at the broadcast program of Gaston College. And today I'm going to teach you how to use the Ricoh Theta S 360-degree camera. Initial setup for the Ricoh Theta S camera is quite simple, and it starts with downloading the Ricoh Theta app on the Google Play Store or the App Store. As you can see, I already have it pulled up. Now, once you have downloaded the app, you will then go and turn on the camera itself. The power button is located on the side. Once you have pressed it, all the lights will turn on, indicating that it is powered up. Next, you will go into your Wi-Fi settings. Once you have gone into your Wi-Fi settings, you will find the Theta to connect to. Now, when you click it, normally you would get prompted for a password. That password can be found on the bottom of the camera. It starts with a letter and is followed by numerous numbers. Those numbers are all that matter. That is the password itself. Once you have entered that password, it will connect like this, and you will be able to start capturing video or taking pictures with the 360 camera. By the way, you may find that sometimes the Wi-Fi symbol is not highlighted. What that means is that the camera is not connected to a phone. When it flashes, it is currently in the pairing process, and once you have connected via your Wi-Fi settings, it will go solid. It will no longer blink. That means your phone is fully connected to the camera. All you have to do to record is press the capture button right here. One press and you'll take a photo or you'll start a recording. And to end a recording, all you have to do is press the button again. The Theta has two recording modes, the first being the video function and the photo function. To change these settings, you will press the button on the bottom. As you can see, I have changed it to the photo option. What you just saw is the camera running out of battery. When the camera is low on battery, it will beep and display a red light as opposed to a white light. Luckily, the camera comes with a USB charging cable. This is the main menu of the Ricoh Theta app. To access your photos and videos from the camera, you can do it via the Cam Images menu, or you can go directly from the main menu and access whatever files you've transferred from the camera. For example, here's one that I have done. Hi there. And that is how you use the Ricoh Theta S camera. Thank you for watching.